Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Guys, check out this bathroom of the Carolina Stanley. So let me start by saying this. You got the 4x6 shower over here in the back left corner. With this plan, the Carolina Stanley, the 4x6 shower is actually included, which is going to include the rain head faucet up top, the ceramic tile on the walls. You can always go to a 4x8 shower, the larger one or the smaller one or whatever, but we do start you with a 4x6. So then I would talk to you about, number one, we are showing the cultured marble countertops in the bathrooms. We start you with laminate formica throughout. This is the cultured marble. To run the cultured marble in both bathrooms, you're looking around $1,000, $1,200. We are also showing USB outlets. Those are minimal cost, but the lighted mirrors are roughly $350 a piece. So some people just do them in their master, some people do them throughout. Then you got the 6-foot transom window up top. That window is always going to be optional or extra, only available if you have 9-foot ceilings, and that particular window is going to run you, call it $650. Okay, so to my right here, you've got the water closets. I would note these are our included 2-panel doors with the Nationwide homes. The 5-panel, where there's 5 rectangles going up and down vertically, are the upgrade. Those 5-panel doors are roughly $900. With this plan, again, with the Carolina Stanley, you have the freestanding tub and the 4x6 as a standard included option. In some of the other videos you've watched, I've done a custom vanity area. We framed this out for a secondary closet. So you do have some options here. But you've also seen different entrances coming into this closet. You've seen single barn doors here. You've seen the double door like I'm showing here. The double barn door, single barn door, whatever you want to do. The original plan for the Stanley calls for the double door like this. If you want to get into your barn doors and stuff, a barn door is going to be, call it $700 roughly. I want you to really think of the 4x6 shower as an upgrade traditionally, but in the Carolina Stanley, the 4x6 shower is included. But in 90% of plans, this is going to be an upgraded shower and run you about $3,500. That includes the tile, the rain head, the can light, and all that good stuff. The seated glass vanity lights, to kind of tie in the pendant lights in the kitchen. That is a great example of the included pendant lights there. This does have a vent built into this light. The cabinet colors, if you say you do one of the standard colors in the kitchen and you also do one of the standard colors in the bathrooms, but it's a different color than the kitchen, as long as you stay within the 3 standard colors, you can mix and match, accent, islands, whatever you want to do. If you guys got any questions, give me a holler. Thanks.